Good morning children, welcome back to the session. In the previous lesson we discussed about Tux Paint, right? So in this video we are going to see about MSW logo. So it is a new program to you, am I right? Yes. Let us see how to give the commands for that particular program. So we are going to see this video for grade 3. So the topic is MSW logo and introduction. Before getting into the session, I have given a game for you. You have to spot the difference between the two pictures. So there are two same pictures but with a slight differences in each. So you have to find out 12 differences in this picture. So try to find out. By the end of this video, I have given the answer for the difference. Okay children? So now it's time to study about MSW logo. So logo is a language. So we all have a language, right? To speak out. We are having a particular language. Some of you will be Tamil or Malayali or Telugu. Am I right? So the same way computer also have language. So if we say some instruction, we have to give the computer known language. Then only it will work. So logo is one of the language given to the computer. So we have to instruct the computer in the language it understands. So only in the language which the computer understands we have to command. So these instructions are called as commands. And logo is a simple computer language and it can be used for drawing, typing text and perform arithmetic operations. So these operations can be done using MSW logo. So in the paint and Tux Paint we can do only the drawing and coloring, right? So but this MSW logo will be useful for drawing, typing text and perform arithmetic operation. Arithmetic is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay children? So let us see how to open MSW logo. Start, we have to click on the start button which is visible in the corner of the desktop. Yes, click on start. There you have to click on all programs. So in all programs we can see Microsoft Windows logo which is the short form MSW logo. Previous slide. Yes. So the upper window is the MSW logo screen and the lower window is the commander window. So we can resize both these windows according to our needs. So if we want the commander window to be bigger, you can resize it. So let us see the components of MSW logo screen. So at the top you can see the title bar which is given as the title MSW logo screen. So below the title bar we can see the menu bar. Different menus are available: file, bitmap, set, zoom and help. And in the middle it is the main screen. The white area is the main screen. And at the bottom you can see the small horizontal scroll bar. We can move right and left. So that is called as horizontal scroll bar. And in the middle of the screen you can see a triangle shaped picture. It is called as turtle. So using the turtle only we can move in the screen. So using some commands we can make the turtle to move. And at the left corner you can see the vertical scroll bar. We can move the screen up and down. First is title bar. It shows the name of the software MSW logo and it also has the minimize, maximize or restore button and close button. Next is menu bar. It lists the commands that MSW logo carry out. So we saw the file, bitmap, zoom etc. So that is the main menu bar. Next is main screen. It is the blank space in the middle of the window which is called as the main screen. It is the place where we can draw, type and see the result of the calculation. Next is the turtle. So the small triangle in the middle of the screen is called as the turtle. We can give instructions to the turtle to move. So when the turtle moves it leaves a line behind and it is called as the pen of the logo. So turtle is called as the pen of the logo which according to the instructions given it will work. So let us see the two parts of the turtle. So at the top it is head part and at the bottom it is tail part. Head of the turtle and tail of the turtle. Next is the scroll bars, the horizontal and vertical scroll bars, which is used to move up and down or right and left. So we can move it however we want, wherever we want to see, we can move the scroll bars accordingly. Next is components of the commander window. First we saw about the main screen. Next it is the components of commander window. So first is the title bar, which shows the name commander. Then the blank area is the recall list box. At the bottom it is command input box. Whatever input we have to give, we can give in the command input box. Next is control buttons. You can see 6 control buttons: halt, trace, pause, status, step and reset. So according to our wish, we can make the control buttons to work in the MSW logo. So the title bar in the commander window, it has minimize, maximize and restore button, and it also consists of the close button, which closes only the commander window, not the main screen. Next it is recall list box, the grey box right below the title bar. So it lists all the commands given to the logo. If something goes wrong, a message will show in this box. So we can see the message, the help message in this recall list box. Next is command input box. The box below the recall list box is called the command input box. This is the place where we type the command. So I will teach you the different commands of this lesson. So the command should be given only in the command input box. Next are the control buttons. In the right side of the recall list box are called the control buttons. These buttons are used to perform various tasks. So each control button have different tasks to do. First let us see about the halt button. It stops logo from carrying out the last command given. So you will say the bus stop in a particular area, we will say it as halt. Bus halted. So the same way the halt button is used to stop the command carried out by the MSW logo. Next is trace button, which is used to find the mistakes and help in debugging process. Debugging means the process of finding errors and clearing it. That is called as debugging. So this trace button is used to do the process of debug. So let us see the components of MSW logo screen. So at the top you can see the title bar, which is given as the title MSW logo screen. So below the title bar we can see the menu bar. Different menus are available: file, bitmap, set, zoom and help. And in the middle it is the main screen. The white area is the main screen. First is title bar. It shows the name of the software, MSW logo, and it also has the minimize, maximize or restore button and close button. Next is the reset button. This button clears the main screen and places the turtle back in the center of the screen. So turtle is the triangle which is used to work out the commands given. So when we click on the reset button, it will move, clear everything and move to its home position. Next one is execute button, which is used to work out the commands given. So this process is called executing or running a command. Next is exiting MSW logo. So you all know how to open MSW logo and what are the components available in it. So now it is time to learn how to close or how to exit in the MSW logo. So there are 3 ways available. First is you have to click on the file in the menu bar. There you can see the exit option. Or the second way, type buy in the input box. So we have to type buy in the input box and we have to click on the execute. So press the enter key on the keyboard or click the execute button. The commander window will close. Next is the third option, click on the close button in the title bar. At the top right corner we can see the close button. So we have to click on it. So these are the 3 ways to exit the MSW logo. Yes children, I hope you would have understand the lesson well, and this is time to show the answers for the difference between the 2 pictures. So you can see 12 differences in the 2 pictures. So these are the differences. I hope some of you would have been identified all the 12 and some of them would have identified 10 or 8. So these are the answers children. Now it's time to study about MSW logo. So logo is a language. So we all have a language, right? To speak out, we are having a particular language. Some of you will be Tamil or Malayali or